The introduction of mobile phones changed all of our lives, and so did mobile displays. And as display technology evolved, new possibilities were created. We felt the rush of interactivity and instant engagement. Mobile displays became more than just pixels. They were portals through which we could capture new experiences and relive memories. And through our displays, we saw life on display. OnePlus saw the chance to provide people with an even better window onto the world and introduced the first ever 2K 90Hz fluid display, heralding a new era of display innovation. Everything became faster, smoother, and even more seamless. Incredible advances have transformed display technology. What will the future hold for us? Introducing the OnePlus 9 Pro with Fluid Display 2.0. It's time to take the next giant leap forward.